So I've got a normal Sharkk mini iPad case, as you have seen or possibly purchased. Normal conditions, you open it up and set it down, and this would normally just sit there, and you can go ahead and use it. So it works like a normal case. So the one modification I did is I put Velcro here and Velcro here, and also along the two bottom edges. But in this case I scraped away so it just barely grabs in both cases. So what happens, and what's kind of fun, is you can put the Sharkk together and it basically hangs in one piece, but if you do need to take it apart, the Velcro doesn't grab so hard and you're still good. So Velcro on the Sharkk.